What's up YouTube, Alien Rides here, and today we're going to take a look at a stylish electric scooter from WEPED, the GT50E. The WEPED GT50E is the first scooter from WEPED imported into the United States. It's a beautiful scooter and one of the only ones to support a fully machined aluminum frame. An impressive amount of performance is contained within a fairly compact package. The 30 amp hour battery sports the latest 21700 cells. The manufacturer states that this scooter will run for about 80 miles of range, but after my testing, I found the realistic range when riding hard is more like 20 to 25 miles. Note that this is with frequent top speed runs, hard acceleration, and extreme hill climbing. More tame conditions or riders would likely see upwards of 60 miles or more on a charge. Hub motors with 3,600 watts of peak power make the GT50 feel like a well-built racing machine. My personal top speed was about 42 miles per hour or 68 kilometers per hour on flat ground, but you might see more than that if you're a lighter rider. It weighs about 77 pounds, which is on the heavy side, but reasonable for the performance and build quality that it has. The drum brakes provide plenty of stopping power, and I was never concerned when braking. The retractable pin allows you to fold the scooter into a more compact package for transportation. The same pin can lock the scooter stem upright or folded to make carrying easier. When locked, there is very little to no play in the handlebars. Wide 130mm kart racing tires provide tons of traction when accelerating and stopping. The wide tires do really well off-road as well. While the scooter feels amazing when drag racing, there is a recurring theme of people who find the scooter a bit awkward to turn and lean on. The tires are less rounded than typical scooter tires, so when you hit the edge it feels a bit washy. I do think that this is something that you could get used to in time though. The suspension system soaks up smaller bumps, but definitely allows you to continue to feel connected to the road. The 4-link dampening front suspension and rear bushing setup is a very unique scooter suspension system and works very well. The dashboard module is functional, but nothing special, and is similar to other scooters like the 010X. I personally prefer the Dualtron I module and would like to see some improvement here on the WEPED. There is a bit more dead zone in the acceleration trigger than I would like, but once engaged, the acceleration curve of the scooter felt great and it was very easy to control. The lights in the wheels, rear mudguard, and side of the deck are amazing, and purchasing additional customizations make the WEPED look really crazy. Examples of customizations include additional battery packs and lights mounted to the scooter stem, mudguards, and an LED deck. The scooter body is rectangular and I still think that the deck could be a bit more wide. You can fix this on your own though with an aftermarket LED deck. It's wider than the stock one. Overall, this scooter feels like it has a very high quality bar coming out of the factory. Even the charging plug is extremely well built and one of the most satisfying ones to plug into. For a scooter comparison, I think that this scooter is most directly comparable to the Dualtron 3 or the Dualtron Thunder, as they share similar weight and performance characteristics. The WEPED battery has the same amp hours as the Dualtron 3, while it uses 40 amp controllers like the Thunder. The Dualtron 3 and Speedway 5 only use 27 amp controllers, for example. The WEPED also has sensor motors, which should result in smoother power delivery than the current uncensored Dualtrons. The WEPED's independent electronic braking system is also another differentiator. The current generation of Dualtrons currently engage braking for both motors when you pull any brake lever. That's all we got for now. If you found this episode useful, please consider subscribing for more content like this. We'll see you all next time.